So I'm sure you all heard about DeepSeek, the new GPT, the future of AI development. And what's a better way to test it besides asking it to create me a 2D video game in Unity? So in this video, I'll be asking both GPT and DeepSeek to create me a 2D Unity game. So let's get into it. So I started with ChatGPT. I told it to give me a 2D game idea, whatever genre I wanted for a Unity game. And he gave me Echo Runner, a 2D action puzzle platformer, where the player just clones himself every 2 seconds and he uses them to push buttons in order to open doors, in order to get to the goal. So let's see the little video of me creating the game and you tell me what do you think about the end result. So we'll be going over the instructions ChatGPT gave me. So I've created a Unity project, I've created a player prefab, which is just a cube for now. I've added a movement script, which makes the player goes up, down, left and right, depends on the WASD keys. I've added a echo prefab, which is just a clone of the player that gets destroyed every 2 seconds. And we've added a function to the player script, which just makes them spawn every 2 seconds as well, so they won't stack in the project. Another thing we've added is the moving platform that goes from one waypoint to another, a pressure plate, which just gets pressed every time an echo clone presses it. And then we've added a goal, which just acts as like, hooray, you won. So when the player touches the goal, it just says you won. So this is the end result of the instructions. Echo Runner, a pretty cool puzzle game, cool idea. I think it can be worked on to be even better. Of course it can be better. And the instructions were a bit unclear, but it took me like a minute to figure out. And the game idea was pretty cool. Never seen that one before, especially not a top-down puzzle game. But yeah, let's get into the second game. So the second game is Chronosprout, a puzzle platformer again with time manipulation. So we can manipulate moving platforms. So we created a movement script for the player, which can go left, right and jump. Then we have the spikes, which just reset us to the spawn point. Shards, which are just getting destroyed for now when the player collides with them. And we got a moving platform that goes from left to right. And our superpower, the time rewind, when we press R, the platform goes back to the position it was in. So that's basically it. You can look at the scripts on the screen and let's get into the result. So this is the end result for the second game. I think this game is a better game design than the first one, but both had pretty good unique ideas. Both were platformers and both were puzzles, but still think they can be made into pretty good, well-made playable games. So write in the comments what game you liked more and I will try to upgrade one of them and post it in the next video.